Johnson here. Quick video on the AV-8B Harrier and the anti-radar missile, AGM-122 Sidearm. Let's get started. Okay, take a look at the loadout screen. You can have them on pylons 1, 2, 6, and 7. You're also going to want to take this pod. It is the DCS pod. That's a countermeasure jamming pod. Must have. So the sidearm is nothing more than a sidewinder with an anti-radar sensor on it. That's it.
Request rearming. Copy.
Okay, let's get our weapons set up. Master armor on. Air to ground. You're going to want to pull up your weapons menu. See the top right corner, you've got gun there. If you hit that twice, you'll get onto the sidearm. And make sure your RWR is on. Make sure your countermeasures are on. And set your jamming pod to receive right there. Also, turn on your IR cooler. Alright, let's see how that works out. We've got a Tunguska right up there in front, so let's see how this works out. There you go, there's your tone. He's shot at us. Let's get a couple out there. You're best off to send two. These only have like a very small warhead on them. So, anyways, evasive maneuvers. So it does. Bad. Looks like only one of them hit though. That thing's annoying. Alright, well you're best off to come in real low with these things and pop up. Now they say it's good for 10 miles, but if you loft it, you can get a lot more out of it. Let's see. And that's about it for today on the sidearm. Johnson signing out.